Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be guiding you through how to attach the sample AdventureWorks 2014 database to SQL Server 2017 Express Edition. So the first thing we need to do is open up the C drive and click on Program Files and click on Microsoft SQL Server. Click on this one here with the SQL Express, and inside there click on this file and click on backup. So inside this backup folder is where we're going to copy and paste the extracted file. So this is the location of my extracted file. This is a file here. It's called AdventureWorks 2014.BAK. So right click on it and just copy. So click copy and then paste that into the backup folder. So this should be the full path where you paste in the data. So make sure you've got your file here, the extracted version, and not the version that has not been extracted. So your extracted file should be inside this location. The next thing we need to do is open up SQL Server Management Studio. So go to your All Programs menu. I'm using a Windows 10 machine, so locate your SQL Server Management Studio. So that's it there. You should have this icon. Click on that and that will launch the SQL Server Management Studio. So once it launches, it will have the server type as database engine. So there can be different server type, so you can use it as an analysis services, reporting and integration. But we've only installed the database engine, so that's going to be the default. Server name will be the name of your computer or your laptop / SQL Express. Okay, so your name will be different from mine based on your computer name. Okay, and make sure the authentication is set to Windows authentication, and just click on this connect button and that will connect you to the database. So you can see we are now connected to the SQL Server 2017 Express database. So these are all the database objects. So this is a tool you need to do all the work you need to do on the database. So any SQL Server related database stuff, you can even write your queries in here by clicking on this new query here, and that will give you access to the query window. So this will be where you write your query that will be executed against the database. And here inside here we'll have the list of your databases. You can see I've only got the default system database setup. So I'm just going to click on this cross here to close that. So to attach the AdventureWorks database, right click on this database folder here and click on this option to restore database. You will get a screen like this. You can see here it says no backup set selected. So what we need to do is change it from database to device, and on the device you should see these dots here. Click on that and you should say backup media file. All you need to do is click on the add button and it should pick up. You can see it's picked up the database, so just highlight it and click OK. So you can see it's inserted the path to where the database is. So just click to highlight that and click on the OK button, and you can see here it says ready. So these are all the properties. So you can make sure where it's got restore, make sure you've got a tick, make sure the tick is there. It tells you the component is a database, the type of restore is a full restore, and gives you the name of the server. So once you've checked and that is ticked, just click on this OK button there, and you can see here the restoration is going on. It says restoring. So you can see it says database AdventureWorks 2014 restored successfully. So click on the OK button. So now that the database has been attached to the SQL Server, we should be able to take a look at it. So under databases, if you just expand, you should see the one we've just added on. You can see it's called AdventureWorks 2014. Click on the plus sign to give you all the objects for that database. So if I click on the tables, you can see all the tables that belong to the database. So that's it for this lecture. We have successfully attached our sample database to our SQL Server Express Edition 2017. Thanks for watching and bye for now.